Are you in the mood for something hearty, healthy, and downright mouth-watering? What if I told you this golden brown seasoning steak is entirely meat-free and vegan-friendly? Hello everyone, I'm Farhad, and if this is your first time visiting my channel, welcome. My ultimate mission and goal here is to inspire you to embrace healthier eating with easy, delicious recipes and practical cooking tips and tricks. Today we're turning a humble cauliflower into a savory, sensational that will have your taste bud begging for more. Let's get the seasoning going. So the first thing we want to do is remove all the green leaves from the cauliflower and, and try not to cut any florets. But if happens, it happens. And then what we want to do is we want to try to get 3 or 4 slice, good size slice, probably about an inch thick. So what I would do, so here's the middle. I'm going to start from here, and I'm going to go down slowly there, and then I'm going to stay about here. So this is going to be the biggest slice. There we go. So here's we got, so I just broke a floor, which is not a big deal. So I'm going to get another one. There we go. So as you can see, I got 2 good size slices from that cauliflower head that I had, and that was a large one. I know I can get 2 more. So if you want to do this, the best thing to do is to aim for a large head. Okay, as you can see, we're ready to go here. So cauliflower steak here, I'm going to do some fresh asparagus as a side dish. It's going to look great. And then I got some ingredients here next to me. You saw how much prep work I did, 5 minutes. This is one of those 10-15 minutes recipe too. So I chopped some parsley, some garlic. I juiced half a lemon. I mean, that was pretty much the prep work I did. And then, of course, cutting the cauliflower. So I have some capers here, some roasted red pepper, some seasoning, which you'll see as we go along, and then some vegetable broth that we're going to use. So we're going to cook this in the same pan, and you're going to see how it's going to be done. So let's get the fire going and start cooking. Okay, I have some oil here, some virgin olive oil. So what we're going to do is we're going to coat this nicely in the oil. So we're going to brown this without any seasoning because we don't want the seasoning burn, especially paprika. Paprika burns quickly. And then once we brown them, then there's going to be a next step, as you see. All right, and then I have a lid because we want to cover it to protect our face from oil splashing everywhere, and pretty much I don't want to get oil all over the stuff. Okay, so I have it on medium high, and we're gonna let it go for about a minute, and then we'll turn it over. There we go. That's the way we want it to look. And then go for another minute on this side. Okay, it's been about a minute, and let's check and see how it's doing. Oh, looks great. Okay, I'm gonna put this aside, and then what we're gonna do is we're gonna shut this off, let it cool off. You do not want to add anything to that, especially liquid, because the pan is hot and it's gonna splatter all over. So let it cool off. The best thing to do is just shut it off. Okay, now I'm going to add some vegetable broth. I'm not gonna do all of it at once. I'm gonna turn this on. Turn it back on. So our lemon juice and our roasted red pepper and garlic and capers. And then we're gonna put the cauliflower stick back in the pan. There we go. And now we're going to season them. Also gonna put the chopped parsley in there. So the seasoning would be some fresh ground pepper, some salt, some paprika, and if you're a fan of steak seasoning, who isn't? Just a little bit, a couple of pinches. There we go. And we're gonna just let that cook for a minute or so. So that's gonna be our sauce. We're gonna cook the cauliflower at about 80%. So you don't want to overcook it. So this is a thick piece. We should be fine. There. So I just turned the cauliflower, flipped it over. Now you can season the other side too if you want, but I'm not going to because we got enough seasoning. So, all right, we're good here. I'm going to transfer this to the plate and then start cooking our asparagus. There we are. Looking delicious. Now we just got to get our asparagus going. There we are. So I just put a little bit of olive oil. I'm just going to put a little bit of that vegetable broth that we had. And then some salt and pepper. Fresh ground pepper. So you want to keep it on low. Just a little bit of fresh ground pepper. And then what we're going to do, we're just going to roll it. Make sure we move around for the even cooking. Now one thing you can do is put the lid so the steam would help cook it faster, but we don't want to overcook them. And here you use your cauliflower steak. Looking delicious. Okay, if you don't mind, I would like to go ahead and try some. Oh, perfect. Cooked just perfect, just perfect. The cauliflower steak is quickly gaining popularity as a meat alternative. This hearty roasted sliced cauliflower offers a satisfying texture and rich flavor, making it a favorite among both vegetarians and meat lovers. As more people seek healthier and sustainable options, cauliflower steak has become a versatile and tasteful choice in plant-based dining. Whether you're roasting, mashing, or turning it into a low-carb rice or meatless steak, cauliflower is an easy way to boost your meals with nutrition. Add it to your diet today and enjoy the health benefits it brings. Well, thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed this video and recipe. If you did, As always, please like, subscribe, and share it with your family and friends. And don't forget to leave me any comments or any question that you might have. I look forward to meet you back here next week for another video. Until then, stay healthy and take care.